Hi folks, Mike Reed from TradeStalker.com with the first video update I've done here for quite a while. This is on the close for Friday, January the 22nd. This was a Thursday action, actually late action. We took a swing trade, not a swing trade. We had a swing trade on, but we had a re-entry here at the end of the day, and we had a target for exit at 47, 46 zone. I put in MIT market of touch so earlier, so just in case of the touch and go like this, or to already have your order in place on top of the queue, just in case, top of the deck, just in case. Anyways, that was yesterday. We finished off a nice. That was about 12 to 15 points, depending on how the entry was. We started with a big higher open here. And this is our resistance was at 66.5, 67.5. They had a open at right at 67.5, poked up 68.5 only for a millisecond, came right down through with this rejection. When you're following a 1 minute chart, we have a setting on it's in the ebook for the 1 minute chart where this met exactly to a dynamic resistance on the way down. Set up a nice entry here, if not already in, and came down to this resistance turn support area. This is the 62, 61 zone. All right, this kind of held here. It popped up, and this was like it turned out to be a triple, quadruple top today. They bounced right back to 66.5 resistance. And as you can see, immediately turned away, setting up a short. I always suggest just put your order in the zone, at the zone or in the zone. So if not filled here, you could have gotten a fill on this little bounce, still holding under with a stop above this resistance here. Anyways, come back down when we came to the 57 level, which happened to be initial resistance coming into the day at 56.5, 57.5. Came right down to that zone, and that new support held, gave us a choppy bounce back up here. I think we had a short up here. Came down and held and turned up at this zone. But anyways, eventually made it back to this, and you can see again rejected. So this is why I had to put the order at or in the zone. This was just about a 4-point pullback here, roughly. Came up again in the zone. Should have easily had a filled here. Came right back down to 62. So from 66.5 to 62, not a bad trade. Then one last try up here. They missed the zone by 1 tick and backed off. So you can get your entry here at the stop up above the zone. Top of the zone at worst, but probably above this high. Worked our way down. Again, here is 62, 61 zone, but ended up breaking it. What that did was just open up a little air pocket down here at the end of the day. They came right down under, this would be the, under the 57, half 56 zone by just a little bit. Came right back up and stayed above it as we finished out the week. So basically sideways, two-sided action, but some good setups on the short side here, again, for our guys. I've been giving out fixed trades this week with an entry area where you should have your stop, etc. So just in case you're interested in some what I call spoon-fed trades, where you guys get about everything. Or during a live session, I'll just say, I can tell you I'm getting in here or whatnot. We've started live sessions at 9:30, also when the market opens, to run for 2 hours instead of the 10:30 start. We'll see how that goes, see how we can, if I can handle that. But in any case, a good week for our members, trading our numbers and trading the suggested trades. So with that, hope you have a great weekend, and hope you have a good trading day on Monday. All right, take care.